Hello everyone, this is Kirk Wheeler. Today I'm going to shoot this quick video to show you how to go through your back office and get started on a fast start to success with MWR Financial. This is for our team to be on our team training site, okay? When you first come into the business, you should receive two emails, one from the Financial Edge order and one for your business, okay? You should get those two emails. Now, to log into your back office, there should be your login credentials should be in the email, in your business email. Get that? You can go to that link. You can go to your own personal link, or you can just go straight to MWRFinancial.com, and then because it'll take you to the login right here. All right, just click on login. You're gonna have put your credentials in. Okay, mine are already there, and then click login. What that's gonna do is it's gonna take you to your dashboard. It's gonna your first place that you're gonna go is called your dashboard. Okay, it's gonna show your rank, your status, your organization size, and your customer points, call schedules. Then you got my services, my website, and your own capture page. All right, it's going to show you everything: your luxury vehicle percentage, how close you are to that, your daily guarantee, your next rank. Okay, so this is your dashboard. Okay, all right. From there, you want to go to the training tab. What the training tab is going to take you to where you want to start watching your videos, the fast start, the business building tools. The first video you want to watch is the fast start success system video. Okay, that video is about 11 minutes long. You want to watch it, and I would recommend watching all these videos at least 4 times, 4 to 5 times. After you watch the video, you have the presentation right here, the PowerPoint. Then you have your first round draft choices. But next, you want to go to your plan of action. The plan of action is the 6 steps that you want to get completed within the first 30 days, because this is where MWR comes with the 30-day money-back guarantee. Remember how we say that on the presentation? We have a 30-day money-back guarantee, but you have to take care of these 6 steps right here, okay? You see all 6 of them? Then you see where it says our guarantee, 30-day money-back guarantee. This is very important. There is a 3-day right to rescission, okay, at first. But after that 3rd day, there is no, the next guarantee is a 30-day money-back guarantee, but you have to complete all these steps. 3-day guarantee, the 3-day money-back cancellation is the standard 3-day cancellation policy. No, you don't have any, no questions asked. But after that, you have to complete these 6 steps, okay? And if our experts, it tells you, if our experts cannot save you or make you more money than what it costs you for the business, then you'll get your money back. Other than that, not going to happen, all right? So let's go back to the training tab. You have your comp plan PowerPoint training and the third-party approach PowerPoint trainings, which means how to market to people. Then you have your compensation plan trainings. Okay, your qualified financial director, how to become a qualified financial director. You see, that's only 52 seconds long. Then you got your customer bonuses, residuals, 3 and free. It's a 1.5 minutes long. Okay, so you see how these videos are, how short these videos are. 1 minute and 15 seconds. The momentum bonus, how to qualify for the leadership expansion and customer residual bonuses. Okay, so I recommend watching all of these videos at least 4 to 5 times. Get down into the 6-figure guaranteed income strategy. Watch these videos. Now, this is the first things you need to do. You need to get all this done within the first 48 hours. After you've completed, you need to report back to your upline, your sponsor, and let them know, that you have got this completed. This needs to be done, again, I say, within the first 48 hours. You want to get off to a good start, and you want to understand the business that you have and how to, to rank up and get paid. All right. So make sure that's done. We have our marketing tab. Okay. This is going to be some other tools that you can use: the enrollment app, the financial business presentation, PowerPoints. All these are PowerPoints. We even have a flyer for mortgage brokers and real estate agents. Okay. All these. All right. So you definitely want to use these. Let me open up one of them. This is a flyer for the mortgage brokers and real estate professionals. Okay. As soon as it opens up, there we go. Your Financial Edge flyer right here. You can give those to more. You can even put your contact information in right there. Okay. So you definitely want to go through all of these marketing materials and use them. Okay. And as I said, the first 48 hours is what you need to do to get this done. All right. You got your services tab. Okay, mine is not open for some reason. But the opportunity, let's go back to the opportunity. Okay. Okay, these are all the tools that you want to open up. Instant pay raise estimator takes you to the website. The plan of action, the compensation plan. All of these are PowerPoints for the training tools that you saw. All right. So again, I say I can't stress this enough. You want to make sure all of this is done within the first 48 hours, and then report back to your upline, your sponsor, to let them know that you have gotten that complete. Now, after all this is done, within the same first 48 hours, you want to make a list of 20 to 30 people that you and your upline are going to talk with. 20 to 30 names of qualified people. Now, when we say qualified, we don't mean going just talking to anybody, unemployed. And I don't prejudge people, but you really want to come up with 20 to 30 people that you feel in your mind qualifies. They're a husband and wife, they're a married couple, right? They have children, they have a job, or they're retired, okay? They're stable. People those are the ones that primarily can really do really well with this opportunity. Okay, I don't discount anyone. However, everybody knows 20 to 30 people who work a job, right? Who work a job and or who's married and have children. People that can really benefit from these services. So again, that's the video. Everything needs to be done within the first 48 hours. Report back to your upline, post it in our chat group that you have gotten yours done. Now you understand the business a lot better. Okay, I'll see you guys at the next video.